Hello friends, I hope you are all enjoying the Thanksgiving week. My name is Sally and welcome to Sally Spills the Beans. On today's episode, I will be teaching you how to make baked hominy, a great popcorn alternative for that Netflix and holiday season. Let's get started. To make this recipe, you will be needing a baking sheet, 1 can of hominy, kosher salt, about 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, paprika, chili powder, and thyme. I am so sorry, you can't even see me put the oil. There you go. Parchment paper is optional to protect your pan. You will also need a can opener and a spatula or turner. And now you are ready to go. First, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Just kidding. Preheat the oven, not your phone. Next, open the can of hominy. Then, drain and rinse the kernels. After draining and rinsing the kernels, dry the corn kernels well with a paper towel in a separate bowl or container. I used several paper towels, so if you want to reduce the amount of paper towels you use, you could also use a clean cloth. The goal is to have the hominy as dry as possible. Doesn't this look amazing? Hominy looks just like popcorn after being popped in the microwave. Next, transfer the kernels to a bowl and toss with the spices and a few pinches of kosher salt. I've decided to use the same silver container I dried the hominy in, which you can also do. A great thing about seasonings is that they can give great flavors. Well, yes, obviously. But what's beneficial to using more seasonings and even juices to enhance flavors of your food rather than always depending on salt or salted seasonings is that it may help to reduce your sodium intake. Higher sodium intake or adding more salt is associated with an increased risk for high blood pressure. Use a pinch of salt, but also have fun and experiment with different seasonings. When you are done seasoning the hominy like it's the holiday seasons, use your spatula to give it a good, even mix. Coat the hominy with the vegetable oil and evenly mix the hominy once again. Let's give a little hint of this goodness. Then, line your baking sheet with parchment paper. Okay, judge me. I know it's crooked, but trust me, it'll save your pan. Carefully transfer the seasoned hominy to the parchment-lined baking sheet. Also, spread the kernels in one even layer to cook evenly. You are now ready to bring the hominy to the oven. Just be careful, the oven is pretty hot. LOL. Bake the hominy for approximately 15 to 25 minutes until the kernels appear dried and are slightly crisp but not burned. Be sure to toss every 8 to 10 minutes so that they don't burn. It was so funny. When I opened the oven midway, I saw a hominy pop or jump. You can call it a pop hominy like popcorn. Okay, never mind. Time to taste test, and yes, this is delicious. Try this recipe with different seasonings and let me know in the comments below how this recipe went for you. Thanks for watching. Sally Spills the Beans. Stay tuned for a special edition.
Wait, I want to get it one more time. One more time. This is so addictive.
Hey.
Yes.
All right.